Hi kids! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're making something super fun and chilly, a cute snowflake with a happy face.
Yay!
Ready to get creative? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your markers, and let's begin. First, let's start by drawing a hexagon in the center of your page with a black marker. This will be the base of our snowflake. Now, let's add the snowflake's arms. Draw a long line extending out from each corner of the hexagon. For each arm, draw two smaller branches coming off both sides. It should look like icy little tree branches. Do this for all the corners.
La da 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 dee.
Wow, it's starting to look magical.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Let's make our snowflake come to life. Inside the hexagon, draw two big round eyes. Then draw a small smiley face. Add tiny eyelashes to make it extra cute. Aw, look at that happy snowflake. Let's add two blushy cheeks for an extra adorable touch. Now, use your black marker to make all the outlines bold and sharp. This makes our snowflake stand out beautifully. Great work! Looking magical.
Yay!
Alright, kids, it's time to color. Grab your color pens and follow along. Cream color.
Wow!
Blue color.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Purple color. Pink color. Amazing! Our snowflake is now bursting with colors. Wow, look! Our snowflake is sparkling and dancing in the winter breeze. Thank you for drawing with us today. See you next time, little artists.
Yay!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.